Okay, quickly talks about how to create a list of videos from Mediasite to your course. So first, go to Mediasite and looking for your share folder. And these are my share folder over the year. If you don't see too much of your share folder, and you can actually click on the share folder, and some of them don't show, and if you want them to show, you just click on February. The moment you click on February, it showed up on the left hand side of your uh, screen. So today I'm just trying to make example if I trying to publish the entire a share folder for IMSC 643, Wu, and four semester of 19. So somebody created for me, and these are the video I already have in there. So first I just copy the folder name. If you don't know how to uh, uh, create a share folder, and you need to send emails to Jason Reacher, okay, and Jason Reacher, let me for you. If you don't have a share folder, you would like to send an email to engineering IT. Name is Jason Reacher. This is his email, okay, and to create a share folder for you. So these are the step after he set up a share folder for you, and you can use the method I just talking about to make it show up on your left hand side of Mediasite. So here, for example, this is the folder I want to publish. So I go to my a page. So create a new page, for example, I call it uh, my video lecture video. Okay, so this is going to be sorted by time. Okay, sorted by day of your lecture. Inside this portion, you just have to say, I want to insert a media site. Instead of saying you want to adding a media, you adding a collection. So here you can see a whole bunch of folder I already have. So this is the folder I was talking about. If you cannot find, you're just using search function here to search for that. So for example, I want to publish this. So this is going to be, I'm going to embed all the video in here, and okay, going to take a few minutes to have it populate. So all the video you have in this folder and share folder will pop up based on the sequence you recorded. Okay, it take a while for them to load because I have so many video here, and so then you can save and publish this page. Okay, my lecture video now is published with all the video you have recorded. The new video you added to that share folder will later on show up in this page. All you have to do is in the in the course module, okay, and you can add, for example, you can add live lectures sorted by day. Just add those page into this. So my lecture video I just created and added to here, and that's all there's to it. So the student can always come back to watch the most recent lecture you have uploaded, sorted by day, and so on and so forth. So this is just finish a simple tutorial.